Hello guys, welcome to IT Tutors. Today we are going to discuss about what is programming, features of Python language, working modes in Python. Now let's go to computer screen. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. Guys, the screen you're seeing now is the screen of Python language. I will give you the link of I will give you link in description to download the Python. First of all, I want to tell you that any task we perform in a daily life consists of three steps: input, processing, and output. When we are child, we play with clay. Like the input is clay, processes is molding the clay, output is the toys made with clay. A computer also works in the same manner. First, a computer saves the data input by the user, then it processes the data and finally gives the user output. A computer performs all this operation with the help of programs. A program is a step-by-step sequence of instructions that help the computer to perform the given tasks. There are many programming languages that we are using Python, C, there another are C++, C, and Java. And now I'm going to tell you about some features of Python language. Python is general purpose high level programming language which is simple and interactive, platform independent, case sensitive, object oriented, interpreted language, uses variables without declaration. All these features make a Python a popular language. And now I'm going to tell you about two working modes of Python. First is interactive mode and second is script mode. In interactive mode of Python, the interpreter executes the statement one by one. After the first statement is executed successfully, it moves to the next statement. It means that the interactive mode, the statements are executed line by line and give the output. And now I'm going to give you some example. Like I have opened the script mode of Python, and here I will type program like I am typing. Sorry, Python is a high level language. And now we'll close this is enter. After simply pressing the enter, it is executed by one line. And now I am giving another example. I am writing 100 plus 200. The output is given to you 300. And now I want to tell you about first print function and idle. Next, then we move to script mode of Python. The print function can be used uh, in the interactive mode as well in script mode. It is used in both modes of Python. It is used to display user-defined messages on the screen. Using the print function, we can also show the results of an expression once it is processed. There are many parameters or arguments that can be passed in the print function. For example, I am writing in interactive mode of Python. I am writing the print. It should be in small letters, and in bracket I am writing the sum of 10 and 20 is, now we'll close comma, and here we want to put comma, and here we write 10 plus sorry 10 plus 20, and now we'll close the bracket, and now we'll press the enter key. Like it is written the sum of 10 and 20 is 30. And now I'm going to tell you about idle. Idle is an integrated development environment for editing and running Python commands. If we type an arithmetic expression at the Python prompt and press the enter key, the interpreter automatically evaluates it and displays the result. In this case, the interpreter acts as a simple calculator. It executes instruction one line at a time. In this mode, you are evaluating an expression, it is not necessary to use the print function. For example, like we have done like 100 plus 200, it also an example. Like I am giving one example, 22 multiply 2, and now you can see the answer of 22 multiply 2 answer is 44. And now we will discuss about script mode. In the interactive mode, Python displays the result of expression. In the script mode, however, Python doesn't automatically display results. We use an interactive mode when we write small programs, because the output in the interactive mode is compressed between the statements and is not suitable for writing lengthy programs. So to write lengthy programs, we use script mode, in which we can create and edit the programs. The file created in the script mode can be saved for later uses. And now I am telling you how to open the script mode and how to use it. To write a program in script mode, following follow follow these steps, guys. Firstly, click on the file new option. Like I am telling you, this is file option. Click, and here is the option of new file. And we now click on it. You can see that the script mode is open. And now we will first write a program. I will show you how to write a program. In this we will write print. We will write here Python is a high level language. Okay, and now we close this comment, also close the bracket. In this we can write the 2-3 statements together and get its result. In that interactive mode, we will get the result one by one, like the line is executed one by one and gives the output. And here we write print 10 and we will close bracket. And next we write print 10 sorry 10 plus 200, and next we write print 89 is lesser than 50, sorry 89 is lesser than 56. In this we can firstly save a program, like first we go file option and click on save as, and I will save it on desktop. I will name it my my Python program. To save it, we have to give it extension. Its extension is .py, and now we'll save it. And guys, now we will run it from here. We can click on run option. You can say, or you can simply press on F5 key. Oh, sorry guys, here there is one bracket mistake. We select it, and here we close the bracket. By mistake it was put in. And now we'll again press F5. Okay. Now, and you can see this is the output of script mode, and this is one of this the interactive mode, and this is it is printed that Python is high level language. The second answer is 10. 10 plus 200 is 200. 10 plus 200 is 210, and last one answer is false. As like these are some basics of Python. As in next video I will bring its programming part. So till that, goodbye friends and stay healthy and safe.